So hello everybody. We have a little bit delay, so I will overjump some slides because I don't want that you hate me that your lunch is too late. Yeah. But you will get the slide later on. So who we are, since 1923, family business, mostly Germany, Austria, Switzerland, but having also online shops in many European countries and distributing goods to 150 countries worldwide. We are selling everything around technical products, 800,000 products roughly for B2C customers, around 5.5 million products for B2B. Target is to reach 10 million products this year. Like half business B2C, half B2B. However, the focus for future is much more in the B2B like in the B2C. We were always quite innovative. So already over 20 years ago, we launched our first e-commerce platform. In that time, minimum in Germany, nobody believed on that. 3 years ago, we launched our IoT platform, which is now with over 500,000 users and 100 of different brands connected, one of the most popular IoT platforms in Europe. However, the time is going much faster and the technologies are, so the retailers who have the right technologies are having the more success like the retailers which are not developing enough fast. And for this reason, even if we were enough fast with our developments, we decided 3 years ago to become cloud-first company. From situation when we had nothing on the cloud, we have now more or less everything on the cloud with exception of one solution, famous SAP. Yeah. But everything else is now on the cloud, and we are now heavily discussing with SAP what we'll do on the last step. So how we see the retail, basically on the customer's expectations. We see the last couple of years, the customer's expectations move in the two directions. One is having great experience. If I, as a customer, invest my time to shopping by you, I am expecting from you, give me a perfect experience. Doesn't matter in which channels. And especially brands like Nike, Adidas, Apple, Samsung are very good on this experience. Doesn't matter if it's talking about stores, mobile app, websites, and others. And if you don't give me the experience, then save me time and ideally also cost. So either experience or as fast as possible, as cheap as possible. And also there, brands like Aldi, for example, in the food industry, or Amazon, AliExpress, Zalando, extremely good moving in the directions. Yeah, very efficient, very fast, very convenient. So, or we as a Conrad, we put more focus on the right side, especially on the fastness and convenience and how we can make our customers the purchasing as fast as possible and as easy as possible. For that, we implement a number of machine learning solutions in the all step of the customer journeys, starting already by SEA, how we are placing our offers based on our segments and Google segments, moving to recommendation and search, which we develop by ourselves, yeah. Having a machine learning startups, which is helping us to improve the product data quality, till having chatbots or some other solution for the customer cares that the people don't need to call us or send us email. So we believe that our best salesperson is our search. We have employees in the stores. We have employees in our B2B sales team visiting customers. We have employees in the customer care. All of them are great employees. We are family business, 95 years on the market, so we have very strong relationship with our employees, and employees love to work for us. However, there's no one employee having more like 7 million interactions with the customers per month. No one. So for this reason, our very important part of our investment in the technologies goes in the improving of our own developed search engine and everything around it. So it's not only search, it's also search now via voice, search via pictures, and so on and so on. So the movement, every few months, the customer's expectation is growing in that direction. The next area where we are putting our focus is product details. Yeah? So our product detail page looks extremely complicated for some customers, and definitely we are losing some sales on customers. They won't have very easy, readable product pages. However, majority of our technical-oriented customers, they love it. And it's also helped them to make decisions and also help them with different type of features, yeah, to find similar products, products with accessories and other products which are connected to this product. So the technique is more and more complicated. There's more and more product on the market. So our focus on the data is to help the customers to make the right choice. With this, we are not only increasing the sales by the technical customers, but also we are decreasing the amount of returns. We are improving the search quality and so on. Then other topics, which was, and I love the presentation about Metapack, how they built their portals. We already doing something like similar like that since 2-3 years. So we are collecting the data from all of our carriers and showing this in my account, the status of the parcels. We are showing all of the previous orders, invoices, and everything else. What the customers what help the customers again to make the purchasing with us faster, to get service faster, to make repurchasing faster, to buy spare parts faster, to buy, for example, cartridges for their printers faster, and so on and so on. And there's a lot of another development which is coming in the next months in the directions, because it's never-ending story. You can heavily improve the customer's experience in the directions. We are also doing some experiments in the different directions. So if we have all of the data in the Google Cloud for our My Account, then we are trying to utilize the data in the different touch points with our customers. For example, in the Google Assistant, you can ask the Conrad assistant, where is my order, send me my invoice copy, where is my return, and so on. It's not perfect, but it's getting better and better. The same, we have a chatbot on our website, and the chatbots we now integrated also to the emails and other touch points. So this year, we will implement also the Google AI voice for the call center rooms to also move the chatbots and all of the automatization also to the calls, because there we are still very manual. And for many basic questions, customers need to wait on the phone for 2-3 minutes. And again, this 2-3 minutes, this is a painful experience for our customers. However, this is not enough. We are selling technical products. And we truly believe that we are moving in the time when the machines will order their product by themselves. I don't know who loves buying batteries. You know, there's zero excitement to buy batteries. There's zero excitement to buy bulbs, yeah? Washing powder. I'm over 20 years married. The first 10 years, I was always asking my wife what kind of washing powder I need to buy when I was going to shop. And she was telling me Persil. So after 10 years, I got it. Yeah, the memory started to work. Yeah. So I'm not asking her anymore, and I'm buying a regular Persil. But I don't want it by, you know, this is zero experience for me. I want that the machine will order by themselves the Persil, yeah? Because we are 20 years buying the Persil, yeah? So you will find a lot of other products. Why the customers wanted this automatization? Because this gives them time for something else. This gives them time for sport. This gives them time to spend time with the kids. This saves them money because they don't don't need to buy extra spare parts and having this somewhere in the storage, or from other sides going to the problem that in the night the lights is not working. So we built, this is one of the use cases. There's many other use cases. For that we launched our IoT platform 3 years ago, where we are basically connecting all type of smart devices independently to the brands with different services. And how this works is, as example, you have a smart smoke detectors at home, and I don't know who from you already had the alarm at 2 o'clock morning. Yeah? This is not nice experience. Yeah? As it's dark, kids are crying, yeah? Dogs are getting crazy, cats is running, so you don't know what is happening. And there's no fire. It's only some mistake or whatever. Yeah? So here you can connect the smart detector with the light, and when it's go on, then lights is also going in the night on. However, it doesn't help you to have smart detector if you are not at home. So who is reacting if you are not at home? Yeah? The majority of the alarms are not fire alarms. There's some mistakes or something's happening. So what is happening there? So here we have a service from the insurance company that you can basically book the service for 2 weeks when we are going for holiday, and they are taking care of these alarms. And if you go on this platform, it's called Conrad Connect, it's in English and German, you will find hundreds of different use cases in marine type of life. So what are the, for home, for the building, for the smart garden, forever. So what are the next steps? Yeah? What we are doing, what we would like to do this year. As I mentioned before, are more automatized on our contact centers. And we are not automatizing the contact centers because we want to decrease the amount of employees who are working there. But we want to give them more time to spend with the more problematic task. We want to give them more time to spend with our B2B customers to creating to solving some problems or creating the solution for them. But we don't want that they are spending their time with the very easy questions which every machine can answer. We are working with Metapack, this is why I'm also here, on the return portal to manage better returns, but also, for example, repairs. Yeah. Till now, we have a very detailed overview about the products which are going through our warehouse. However, our marketplace sellers or dropshipments products, there's definitely space for improvement. Chatbots we see as a big opportunity to put them in the channels where the customers are, like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Google Assistant, and so on. IoT, we want to scale it. We are working with different retailers together because as we build the platform in the way that the other retailer can also use it. So our ambition is not to use this only for us, but automatize the ordering for many other retailers. And also, as the products, they don't need to be ordered only by us. They can be ordered by online shop from different retailers. Where we also believe there's added value for the customers is as we have the whole data in the cloud, use the big data and use the machine learnings to give the customers pre-warnings. Yeah? So from one side, don't send the emails to all customers if there is a delay, because some of the customers don't care about the delay, but some of them customers, they really care. So how we can find automatically the customers who cares, yeah, and we send them that there is a delay, or there are some other problems, or as mentioned before, the parcel is not giving to customers, but it's landed by neighbor or by somebody else. Yeah. So how the machines can recognize, or the big data and analytics to recognize where we should inform which customers and which channels, because not always the email is the best channel. Sometimes the message or call even to the customers is better. So how we can recognize it and how we can there be better, very personalized on the customers. So on the end, I have a short movie, I don't know if it's work, yeah? How we believe the automatizations will happen and how we can save the time And we have ambitions, minimum for Europe, to make this happen, because we believe that this automatization, we should not only let to make it Amazon or Alibaba for us, but we should also try in Europe to do something in that direction. So, I don't know.
Run short of stock materials or toner cartridges? Okay, Google, ask Conrad Connect to activate toner cartridge order. Use the Conrad Smart Ordering service from Conrad Electronic with your smart devices. Simply reorder constantly needed everyday items comfortably with your voice, or click on a smart button, or let your smart devices automatically order the right supplies before they run out. And the best thing is, it's totally free. Book this service exclusively on Conrad Connect Service Marketplace and discover even more unique partner services and premium features. Level up your smart life with Conrad Connect, the ultimate IoT platform for your favorite devices, apps, and services. Get started for free now on ConradConnect.com.
So, thank you very much.